Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Wens Tarot, and this is your most requested 2022 reading, love, work, and career charms reading, friends, for Libras. If your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in Libra, this reading is for you. If you know a Libra, you can cross watch it for them, friends. Make sure to subscribe Magic Wens Tarot, like, share, subscribe, join us on Instagram to buy a personal reading. Visit our website. And friends, yes, you can buy your own personal, super detailed, super accurate 2022 readings from our website. And many of you have already booked it and got your readings. Yay! I sent out the readings yesterday, so many of you got it. Yippee! I know you all liked it, but if you haven't, if you haven't shared your feedback, yet, so I'm sure, I hope you liked it. And what else? This is a general reading. It may resonate or it may not. Also, friends, this is for Libra. You can also cross watch it for a Libra if you know them. So let's see. This is a charms reading. Let's see your year 2022 will be Libras. Sweet Libras. All right. What is the theme of the year 2022 for Libras? What is the theme of the year 2022 for Libras? What is the theme of the year 2022 for Libras? Oh wow, temperance. So this is definitely a year of balance. This is definitely a year when life is falling into balance, everything is falling into place for you. And I see like you have been really, really crazy busy, friends, all the last 2 years. Crazy busy, crazy hectic, a lot of pressure, a lot of problems. But Libras, this year things are falling in place for you. Life is coming into balance. Whatever was missing from your life, that will be coming for you, or you are manifesting it. And look at that, 4 of Wands. Some of you are getting married in the year 2022. Yoo-hoo! Congratulations, friends. Yes, some of you could be getting married. Look at that. The angels, the universe is working to manifest some love to you, love in your life. I feel this is a year of partnerships for you, be it business partnerships or marriage or some sort of a love partnership. Partnerships and deals are very, very important for some of you. You could be meeting the love of your life. You could be getting married this year. Also, you could be signing a big contract, a big company, something that you have been waiting for. Some of you could actually be meeting the person. You could also be meeting a part of yourself which was missing, like you were missing some, you were like, where you were feeling like a part of you is missing. So in the year 2022 you are like, wow, I found it. Something was missing from your life. You will find it again in 2022. The theme of the year 2022. The 5 of Wands, yes, I do feel you will be extremely competitive, Libras. God bless anyone who comes in your path. You are going to not settle for less. You are very demanding in the year 2022. I also feel some of the times you may feel your heart is saying one thing, your mind is saying another. It would be because, at times you would want to lead by your emotions, but at the same time, you'll be like, your career also needs you. So you will be taking, like, I need to take a practical decision. Your heart is, no, your heart will be like, I want to lead. Your mind is, I will lead. So you will have certain problems balancing your heart and mind. But if you are a student, you will be excellent. You will be a winner because your competitive skills are super high. You are very ambitious. It's a great, great year for you, friends. Absolutely. You getting what you was missing from your life, you getting a answered prayer. So this is a year for, things falling in place, wishes coming true for you. Let's see your love life for Libras, their love life in the first half of the year. Libras, their love life. All right. In the mid of the year, their love life. Oh my God, you have all the major arcanas. Libras, their love life in the end of the year 2022. Again, you have a lot of people coming for you. A lot of people are important for you, friends, throughout the year. A lot of people are coming for you, Libra. So let's see how your first half of the year will be. I feel like first half of the year 2022, you will be a little nervous, you will be a little anxious because you will be confused about choosing the right person. Some of you could be dealing with two people and you are like, which is the right one? Which is the right one? Some of you, if you are even married, you may feel attracted to someone new and it will surprise you, it will worry you, it will may even give you a guilt trip. So you are like, what is happening? What is happening? Or even if you are married, someone may become interested in you and you are like, what? I'm married. Why so? But whether you are married or not, single or whatever your situation is, friends, in the first half of the year, Libras, you are definitely worried about choosing the right person. There are two people in your life, the King of Pentacles, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person, who is someone very sweet, practical, very loving, very safe. But at the same time, there is this Queen of Wands, this Aries, Leo, Sag person who is absolutely bonkers, who is absolutely passionate, loving, wildfire, and you are like, should I choose the safe person or should I choose this passionate connection? What am I supposed to do? So you have some confusion going on. Especially, I feel like love is very passionate in the first half of the year for you. There is a lot of passion, but you want to play it safe, Libra, because you are like, that's why this is here. This five of one conflict, your mind is like, I want you to be safe, and your heart is, I want to take a risk. So, Libras, the first half of the year is very interesting for you. You have choices in love, absolutely. Let's see the mid of the year. All right, the mid of the year is your lucky, lucky, lucky time. Yes, some of you could be getting married this mid of the year. Some of you could be actually getting engaged also. Your luck is changing in your love life. I also see someone new could be coming in your life by the stroke of luck, by the stroke of destiny. So, yes, that is also going to happen. And the judgment, yeah, I do feel whatever confusions you are having in the first half of the year, in love, that will be cleared by the second the second half of the year. The mid of the year will clear your confusions in love. Everything will become clear. This is the mid of the year is the time when you may leave a relationship or you may decide to get married to a person. So if you are married and things, I'll take a clarifier for judgment, but I feel like your relationships could get tested a little. But why? Because God, the universe wants to give you the best. Wheel of fortune, some destined changes will take place. You may meet the person of your life, your future husband or wife. Also, some of you may actually shift, relocate to some other city or country. Some of you may actually, I'm sorry to say, might leave a relationship or might take a break from it. Four of Cups, feeling disappointed, feeling like you need some break, you need some time apart from your partner, or you need a vacation. Ace of Swords, yes, absolutely. There is going to be this mid of the year is very important, friends. You could actually be moving into a relationship, getting married, settling a court case, getting married, moving into, buying a house, moving in together, or leaving a marriage, moving to another relationship. So this is a massive time mid of the year for you. But you will take your time to think about it. You will not make a very snappy decision. No. Let's see the end of the year. Wow, the end of the year is very important for you, friends. Eight of Wands. Yes, your love life will be picking up space, picking up pace. Communications will open up. Passions will be very, very high. I do see that all your hard work will pay off at the end of the year. You will have a partner who is very attentive, caring, loving, and you could meet this person through work or, I also feel that your work life could be affecting your love life at the end of the year. I also feel that someone would be writing a lot of love letters to you, expressing communications are very high at the end of the year. Knight of Swords, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person will be important for you, friends. Yes, I do feel that, a lot of people are important for you. Some of you could be dealing with third parties also in the year 2022. So, or, some Pressures from family, you could be dealing that in the year. The Knight of Wands, King of Wands, sorry, Aries, Leo, Sag. So I feel the again, the end of the year is again a very, very passionate. Look at this. You are the king and the queen, both are here. So you are a match made in heaven, and I feel it will take you some time to unite with this person. You will meet them in the first half and then again at the end of the year. So passions are really high at the end of the year. Also communications are very high, and chances of having a baby are very high mid of the year, mid and the end of the year, friends. So let's see some advice. My god, Libras, what are you doing? Wow, you could be dealing with a twin flame also in this year 2022, so get ready, friends. Let us see some advice for our beautiful Libras. Oh, new vitality. So something new is going to come into your relationships. I do see a new start, a new breakthrough is coming. Love, yes, all your relationships are moving forward. They are shifting, transforming into love. Don't lose hope. Change your focus. So for air signs, this seems like a theme. Change your focus, stay positive, think what you want and you will get it. Crown chakra, yes, telepathic relationships are coming for you. You will have a very strong telepathy with your person. So let's see your career and then your charms. So don't leave in between. Let's see your career, Libras, now. For the year 2022, the Magician and the Seven of Wands, the Strength, the Nine of Pentacles, Ace of Wands. My god, friends, absolutely, Libras, you are on fire when it comes to your work and career. Ace of Wands, you will be starting some new contracts, some new jobs, some new business ideas. Some of you could be starting new collaborations which will be very successful. Out of the blue, you may be starting your own business ideas, your own work. Some of you may start earning from a hobby in the year 2022. I also feel some of you may keep 2 or 3 jobs rather than one big job. Like you will be spending your day in you don't want to do a work that takes 9 to 5 of your time. You will be doing like, I will part-time jobs everywhere, like a little of this, a little of that, and you are like, I'm happy, I'm satisfying my heart, my mind, my soul. So my god, woohoo, Libras, it's a very passionate year for you. You're highly competitive and you want to ace at everything, be it your creativity, be it your work, your business. Lot of money is coming your way, Libras. Yes, you will be very independent. A lot of money will be coming your way. Even if you start a business this year, very successful. Very successful. If you are working, money will be coming. You'll be very successful. You'll be very independent. Some of you could be traveling to long distance, job and career. Some of you could be shifting for a work abroad or some other city and country. Very good move it will be. Seven of Wands, yeah, I do feel that, the only problem this year you will face in your work and career is to not give up on your dreams. There will be tough competition. You will feel like, competition is tough. You will have to work hard. But the thing is, if you don't give up, you will be the first person chosen. So don't give up on your dreams. The Magician, whatever you try to manifest this year, friends, Libras, you are going to achieve it. Whatever you are manifesting in work, career, or in your education, you will achieve it. So do not give up. Strength, I feel you will need a lot of physical health, strong physical health for your work and career, because you're very busy, friends, in the year 2022. But your health will be very good. So you have nothing to worry about. Another thing I'm feeling is like your relationships, especially deals or contracts, they will be very strong, friends. So I would ask you to be very you may get a very strong partnership or deal in the year 2022 which will remain for the next 10 years of your life or 5 years of your life. So something long term will happen or will manifest in the year 2022 for you, Libra. So keep that in mind, like you joining a college, you joining a university, and you remaining there for like 2-3 years. Advice and then the charms. Libra's advice. expect miracles. Woohoo! Nice. So, miracles are coming your way, friends, and spiritual growth. You can expect miracles in love, work, and money sector. And I see, yes, you are spiritually growing. You know, I told you you want to fulfill your body, mind, and soul. In work, also, you want to do like you want to be creative, you want to work also, you want to earn money also, but you want to fulfill all your body, your mind, your soul. Spiritual growth. This is a year of your spiritual growth. Take charge and take action. Yes, you are a very strong leader, Libras. It is time to take action and not wait. Let's see your charms now. How the year will be, 2022 will be for Libras. Oh my god, you have a lot of charms. So it's a busy year. Oh my god, Libras. Better get ready. Okay, I don't know how we are going to read so many charms. Let's see. I'll try my best. And still you will not subscribe? Oh my god. I don't know, friends, why you don't subscribe. I don't know. I don't understand this algorithm YouTube has right now. God only knows. You know, I keep getting the Adele song. Is Adele your favorite singer? Maybe you will remember her songs in the year 2022. You know, God only knows. You know that song, I'm your one and only. I keep getting that song right now. I'm your one and only. So someone might be singing that song to you, or you might be singing that song to someone. X is important. Oh my god. X is important in the year 2022. Maybe you are leaving them or getting over them. Maybe you are meeting them again. Someone male is also important. He is important. A, F, M. Someone could be a radio jockey because I see the word FM. Someone could be a radio jockey or a good public speaker. So the initials of your person are E, X, H, E, A, F, M, O. Those are the initials. Number 5 is important. 5 could be the birth month or someone born on the 5th. Number 20, number 23 are important. 2023. Wedding bells. Important news will be coming your way. Wedding, some of you could be getting married, some of you could be getting out of a wedding, some of you could be getting into a business deal. Fated, yes, relationships are extremely fated. Rainbow, yes, after a lot of challenges, the rainbow will shine for you. Unicorn, you are extremely lucky, friends. Yes, you had the Wheel of Fortune also, remember? The bow, some of you could be having a childbirth, baby coming into your life, or some sort of you could be getting a new pet this year. The specs, I feel some of you could actually be dating someone with specs, or you should check your eyesight, friends, because I do feel you are so busy reading all this and you're very busy this year, so take care of your eyes. The dark horse, you are very strong, friends. You are very, very strong and powerful. The Cinderella shoe, wishes coming true. Expect, a miracle coming for you, the Cinderella shoe. Rose, twin flame love is coming. Golden leaf, money is coming. Tortoise, take some time off. This is a busy year, Libras. Make sure to take some time, rest, relax. The leaf, let go of the past. Peace is coming in your life. This knowledge is coming. New people, intelligent, collaborations are coming. Seer, yes, you are definitely. Seer is a spiritual mentor is coming. You could be mentoring somebody, or someone could be helping or supporting your spiritual growth. King of Coins, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person is important. Someone born in February is important. Mars, you're very passionate, friends. Your Mars is super high and intense throughout the year, friends. So that's, you'll be very competitive. April is important. June, April, February, April, June is important. Two of Wands. Be mature, friends. Be mature. Knight of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus is also important. Soulmate, yes, a soulmate is coming for you. You will have some choices also. The King of Cups, absolutely, a lot of people are important in your love life. One of your, yes, a breakthrough, a contract is coming. Father, some of you could be dealing issues with your father. Some of you could be actually inheriting some business or some sort of a money or some, space from your father, like property. Yellow, staying positive. Sage, oh my god, spirituality is very important for you, friends, this year. January is important. Healer, you could be attracting a healer. You could also be becoming a healer in the year 2022. So, a happy, happy year 2022. Stay safe and subscribe Magic Vents Tarot. Like and share. Join us on Instagram. This is to buy a personal reading. Visit our website. This is Mystic C saying bye bye.